Cultivating empathy is one of the most important things children can learn. It's what fosters connections regardless of race, religion, or language. As a national leader in diverse education, Gwinnett County Public Schools is building the bridge from empathy to excellence. Our career, technical, and agricultural education program is an integral part of this work. Our CTAE courses span a wide range of disciplines in high-skill, high-wage, and in-demand career fields. Students can take advanced classes in engineering, healthcare, entrepreneurship, marketing, media arts, manufacturing, finance, trades, and more while gaining course credit. Upon completion of a career pathway, students earn valuable credentials that are attractive to prospective employers. Students benefit from these pathways thanks to our dedication to community integration. Gwinnett County Public Schools' ongoing partnerships with experts in the local business community ensure that programs grow alongside our students. Career and technical student organizations extend learning beyond the classroom. CTSOs build soft skills, leadership qualities, and enable students to engage in co-curricular experiences in the community. Our CTAE programs are here to build relationships and ensure that each and every student receives rigorous, relevant experiences to prepare them for the future, no matter what path they choose. Visit www.gcpsk12.org to find more information on CTAE programs in Gwinnett County Public Schools.